Welcome to the beginning of my Java tutorial. In this episode, I will show how to create a simple Java project called Hello World. So I am using Eclipse for this, which is a IDE that you can download from the internet. There's several out there, so you don't have to use Eclipse, but I do. So to create a project in Eclipse, you go up here to this icon, click the arrow, select Java project, and you name the project whatever you want. In this case, I will just call it Hello World since that's what this episode is about. And then, as you can see, there's nothing on the screen after you create the project. That is because you also have to create the class. So you select the source folder, which should be the same as the project you just created. You can create a package to go with the project, or just use the default. And then you name your class, which I will name the same as the project. It does not have to be the same, but I'm just gonna make it the same for lack of being unable to think of anything else. And I will also check this because this is a part of every program. Finish class has been created, and then to create the program, you type system.out.println or print, either one works, and you can either type it all out or you can select from the drop down that comes up, and then in quotation marks you type hello world. And you go up here to the arrow to run it, and it prints hello world. Now, a thing to note that you must include the quotes, because without the quotes I will show what happens. Without the quotes, you can see there is an error. For one, there is a space, which is not allowed. An exclamation point I don't believe is allowed either. And hello world in this situation has not been declared. But that does not mean this will not run. So like if you attempt to run it as is, you will see errors exist in the workstation, and it will show your error down here. But one way to fix this, you can create a string with that name like this. And a string is basically text. And so now if we run it like that, you can see it printed even with my typo. So that is just a simple tutorial for how to create a simple Java project. Thank you.